Welcome to the nano world. Nanotechnology is changing our world in ways we never imagined. From tiny particles that can fight cancer to materials that make our clothes stain resistant. We are entering an era where science operates at the scale of atoms and molecules. In this video, we'll explore how technology transforms people, the ethical and social implications of nanotechnology, whether we are truly living in a nano world, the potential for building a culture of science, and the costs and benefits of this revolutionary field. Now, let's proceed on answering 5 questions related to nanotechnology. How does technology transform people? Nanotechnology is transforming people by making medical treatments more effective, improving the quality of everyday products and enhancing human capabilities. For example, nanoparticles are being used in targeted cancer therapies to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, minimizing side effects and increasing survival rates.
Scientists are using cells isolated from human tumours to develop new ways to tackle cancer. Here we can see the cancer cells growing in a culture dish in the laboratory. For most drugs to be active, they must go inside the cancer cell. Scientists are developing tiny particles, nanoparticles, that can be loaded with drugs. The nanoparticles can be modified so that they attach to the cancer cell and get carried inside. To make sure that the drug-loaded nanoparticles only attack the disease cells, they are engineered so that they only bind to the target cancer cells and not to neighbouring healthy cells. Once they bind to the cancer cell, they're taken into the cell. They can't pass through the surface. Instead, part of the cell surface forms a pit, and then it engulfs the nanoparticle. Now we are looking inside the cell. Cellular proteins wrap around the vesicle and drive it inside the cell. You can now see a vesicle carrying the nanoparticle moving towards the very centre of the cell. The vesicle carrying the nanoparticle travels further inside the cell and then fuses with a compartment called an endosome. This is part of the digestive system of the cell's stomach. The inside is acidic, and its job is to digest incoming material. The nanoparticles are degraded inside the endosome, releasing the drug into the cell. The drug can then kill the cancer cell.
Nanomaterials are also found in fabrics that resist stains and water, making our clothing more durable and convenient. These advances show how technology can directly improve our health and daily lives. Ethical and social implications of nanotechnology. The rapid development of nanotechnology brings several ethical and social concerns. One major issue is the potential health risk of exposure to nanoparticles, especially in workplaces where safety protocols may not yet be fully developed. There are also environmental concerns, such as the accumulation of nanoparticles in ecosystem and the long-term impact on wildlife.
Utilized nanomaterials have the potential to be exposed to these engineered materials through inhalation, skin contact, or ingestion.
Are we really living in this nano world? Yes, we are already living in a nano world. Nanoparticles are found in sunscreen, electronics, medicines, and even food packaging. The miniaturization of devices and the creation of new materials with unique properties are already part of our everyday lives. While we may not always see these changes, nanotechnology is shaping our economies, labor markets, and even our understanding of what it means to be human. Can we build a culture of science through technology? Nanotechnology has the potential to foster a culture of science by inspiring curiosity, encouraging public engagement, and promoting education in STEM fields. Initiatives like citizen science projects and real-time technology assessments allow people to participate in scientific discussions and decision-making. By making science more accessible and transparent, we can build a society that values innovation, critical thinking, and ethical responsibility. Criticizing the issue of cost and benefit of nanotechnology. The cost and benefit of nanotechnology are complex. On one hand, nanotechnology promises breakthroughs in medicine, energy, and environmental protection. On the other hand, the development and implementation of these technologies can be expensive, and the risks, such as health hazards and environmental damage, are not always fully understood. There is also the concern that only wealthy individuals and nations will benefit, while others may be left behind. To ensure that nanotechnology serves society as a whole, we must balance innovation with careful regulation and equitable access. In summary, nanotechnology is transforming our world by revolutionizing medicine, industry, and everyday life, but it also brings ethical, social, and economic challenges. To truly benefit from this revolution, we must balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring that Nano World serves everyone equitably and sustainably. Thank you for listening, and that would be all.